So right now we're going to a car shop. We're gonna install a garnish. So what's a garnish? We'll find out later. So we're gonna install, guys, at the back.
4.9 something. Yeah, this one.
The price is 4.9 for
4.9.
so almost 5K.
Yeah.
So let's see also if there's a price for the installation. We already have tires here at the side.
We just don't want to be on the street.
By the way, the name, guys, is Japacor. Okay, let's go. Yun guys, ito yung mag-install si Benji. So may wiring na guys. Yan, white.
Park light.
Park light. Tapos pag mag-brake sa tail light yan.
Park light.
Turning red. Park light.
Then brake.
Tail light. Okay. Nice. Wow, sakto gan. Tamang-tama lang guys. So now guys, you will know the step-by-step process how to install. Salamat kay Kuya Benji. Ang dali lang
Plastic clip na.
Yeah, kunin mo na yung plastic clip. Okay, one down. Okay. Sikat ka na, Mano Benji. Wow. na guys yung plastic. Plastic clip. Sa galaw ni Manong Benji, alam ko na ilang beses niya itong ginagawa. Dito medyo mahirap. Yan. Yan yung para sa switch. Dito na sa akin. Okay. Nice. So nakuha na lahat guys. This is how it is at the back. Nasa handle, diba? Kunin yung handle guys.
Sa balancer yun.
So for the balancer. Okay, yun na. Don't mind lang mo din ang video. Concentrate ka lang na. So kapag may papaayos kayo sa sasakyan nyo guys, hanapin nyo lang si ano, kuya.
Ako now? Anong klorotan isa? Kontak ba?
Okay. Ingat lang sa bolts guys. Kasi pag di maingat, malaglag. Mahirap kunin. So guys, hindi pa nakakita. So those who didn't see the back, this is the back. Naka may bolt. Parang tawag sa stock niya, garnish mo Japan, no? Galileo with lights na, garnish with lights.
Alas nito di sobra.
Kaya display lang na siya eh.
May masampaw pa ng taillight sa iya.
Ay, sampaw mo nang ganyan.
Paluson yun siya, pero
Ah,
taillight pa rin, sampaw
okay.
sa iya.
Swap ko sa'yo galit.
Oo.
So abot pala hanggang likod ng taillight. Tapos sa kabilang bahagi na ulit. Okay. Tapos meron pa dito. So parang connected yung taillight. So kung beginner kayo, ayusin yung paglagay nyo ng bolts. Baka pagbalik nyo may sobra na. May freebies.
Karon may sobra gina sa?
Oo.
Sobra na sa kayo.
Okay, sobra pala guys.
Oh, kita na niya buho na mabutangan.
Mm.
Dahil naman ang laksin na eh.
Yan. Kasi yung lock nito iba. So mamaya, sabi ni Manong, may sobra raw. So tignan natin mamaya.
Sige sana.
Okay. Okay.
Mapapatibay.
Kunin na guys yung taillight. Pero dapat may proper tools kayo para iwas gas-gas. Ano? May lock po siya guys.
Oh. May mga clip.
May clip. So medyo mahirap pa guys. Yan. Pero kapag di kayo sure guys, punta na lang kayo dito sa Japapor. Para sigurado.
Tignan natin yung socket.
Kasi mahirap talaga. Ah. Wala pa? Wala pa ilalawig pa ni.
Ay pa, kapamalos ko lang. Apa ni pamaluson?
Okay.
Ano sa? Para sa mga taillight ay sampaw na siya.
Yan.
Kaya nakasampaw siya.
Oo. Hindi sa makwa. So dapat kailangan yung nagtatanong kung bakit kinuha yung taillight. Kasi ano, nakadikit yung ano, garnish. So kailangan kunin yung taillight para makuha yung garnish. So yung sa right side na naman.
Masumok ko sa piyak. Kaya ka
Oh.
dinit.
Okay. So make sure guys na alis nyo lahat bago nyo kunin. Bago nyo kunin yung taillight. Baka ma-damage. Okay. Nice, yun na. Ang dali lang. Para sa kanya, ang dali lang. Okay. Nice. Tapos yan, makikita nyo ng sensor. Okay. Oo, nagsulad. Nalaglag na nut, pero kunin natin guys. Yun. Ah, baba. Yan. Buti na hanap agad. Kasi pag di kinakuha yan, aalog-alog yan.
Magraratol.
Oo, magraratol. Okay. Yan, kapag i-install guys, alam mo talaga na maingat. Yan na yung garnish natin. With lights. Yan, bagong bago. Okay. Yun, transfer yung lock. Apat, no? Apat na lock.
Dito dua lang.
Dito dalawa lang. Pero sa stock, apat.
Kaya maraming sobra.
Kaya may sobra tayo. May reserve na.
Tapos yung mga ganito, yung mga
bolts.
hindi na malalagay yan. Kasi wala na dito.
Wala nang bolts.
Dito
Yan
dalawa.
guys, sa stock meron. Pero dito wala na.
Tingnan natin yung butas. Isang butas pa lalakihan ko to. Kasi malaki na yung...
Okay, yung holes guys malaki. So,
yung isa okay na. Isa lang
yung isa, i-extend natin yung laki ng ano, ng bilog. Okay. Okay ka lang, hindi na pagpabente yun. Okay. Yan. Okay. So okay na yung slowly but surely guys. Yung sa handle, sa 360 camera sa likod.
Okay na.
Ito na lang, lakihan na yung butas. Yan guys, oh. Kasi sa bolt ng garnish na i-install, yung modified, malaki na yung ano yan, yung bolt. So lalakihan talaga natin to. Pero yung sa kabila okay na. So yan guys, i-drill na. Just one hole. Kasi sa bolt sa kabila, malaki. Yung hole, malaki na. Sa kabila. Hindi ko naman ipag-on ka lang. Yan, gili-gili
Hindi
kayo.
ko na i-on ko na sama.
Gani, dito susunod.
Hindi mo mapunggan ka ron?
Yes.
Basta dako nga get mabuslog, kasi hindi mo mapunggan.
So, those who are asking about the warranty is still intact.
Tapos butang ka na grasa para sa iyang pilas.
Just lagyan ng grease. Wala. Yes. Yan na modified garnish.
Tapos din yung mga buho, ipasilikon, karani pa rin magpinitrate naman sa tubig.
Okay, Tapos guys, dyan lagyan ng sa likod para hindi mapasukan ng tubig.
Mayo tani kung isulod na nila sa uray gid para pa.
Gani, oo.
Kaya mo ning ilang ako ni.
Design.
Kuha ni ko. Diyan ko di kapot.
Ayos.
Kuha na
Sige.
sipat.
So, bago niya install yung bago, mas okay na linisin mo na yan. Daming alikabok. Bago to, pero marami ng alikabok. Yan o, you can see the dust. So, you need to wipe it. Ito yung lalagyan natin ng silicone, guys. But in case umuulan, mag-open ka, hindi pasok ka ng tubig. Yan na, guys. Makalinis lang. Okay. Make sure lang guys na tamang-tama sa mga butas. Should be perfect on the holes. Install na lang. Yeah.
Nari kay wala naman siya.
Yeah. Yan yung mga butas na hindi na magagamit guys. Tatabunan na lang.
Para hindi masudla.
Oo. Ayos yung silicone nila, itim. So magbaho na kayo ng silicone guys. Okay. Ayun muna doon. Yan.
Push ko dahil.
Push. Okay, lock. Sa gilid tapos
Butangan nyo mo di silicone, no?
Babaw pa rin ko.
yes.
Para nga hindi lang. Ha? Dapat.
Nice. Tapos balik ulit sa likod guys.
Dapat masasubra pa rin.
Balik na ulit yung mga bolts. Yan na siya guys, oh. So maya makikita nyo talaga yung tunay na ganda niya ng garnish with park light and for tail lights. So may mga sobrang bolts guys, kasi yung stock marami talaga ano, yung screw, nasa screw niya. Pero yan, unti lang, yung tamang-tama lang.
Puerto Rico Marine called. I worked there many years. And then eventually all
Guys, na-notice namin may malaking bilog dito, pwede pang ano, sa woofer, speaker. Yan. So it's optional guys, pwede nyo lagyan ng sound system, pwede.
Kaya ng amplifier at saka marking speaker.
Nalagyan ng amplifier sa loob, kayo na bahala dumiskarte.
once, sometimes twice a week, full of containers.
Yung recommended naman nung guys, yung stealth raw, kasi maliit yung magnet, so pwede nyo papasok dyan.
And they will unload, and they will pick up the load, bolts in the yard.
Yan, dyan pa core.
Line them up, stack them, size down. That was it. Start over, then they start. They had a buckling now. Unlike when outside lane.
So balik na ulit yung mga tail lights.
I think when outside lane.
Yan, sneak peek.
Castle over the pass, we call it. Overpass. When we went over the overpass, and you start seeing
Santay light ulit.
Because it had all that traffic on the interstate, it's like flying through Manila has this beautiful highway system in Manila. What they call the highway thing? Yeah, something like that. Well, in the U.S., that's the yeah. You get on the expressway, you go in.
Ang yellow, park light. Ang red,
Brake light.
brake light. Yan guys, may idea na kayo sa ano, sa wirings. Pero
May
guys,
signal
may
kayo
signal light na.
Garaning saya pag
May
nag-signal
running.
ka. Sa Toyota, ang grounds nga, white nga may repeating nga black.
Yung black, yung brown.
Ano sang grounding sa Toyota.
So advice talaga guys, bago nyo ibalik, i-check nyo muna. Kasi hindi ganyan kadali yung kumuha ng cover ulit. So make sure lahat talaga okay na. So you can save time as well as the effort. So sa blue lang.
Sabi ko.
Dani,
Kaya naka-ground naman ito daan.
Tapos may ground na dyan guys, yung sa black. Tapos dito i-hook na lang yung blue.
Brake na lang.
So per brake. Yan. So cover na. Pero garnish mo na, no? Garnish. Bis ka ng bago garnish sa Japan.
Kung na siyang tawag ng trunk lid ang iyang isa ka kwan.
Trunk LED, bale.
Light.
So, try na guys.
Kung okay yung light.
Sige. Check din naman ah.
Check.
Oh, wow. Oh, wait. White out. Okay, nag-on lang. On pa lang. So, i-brake.
This is the park light.
Wow. Yan.
Beautiful.
Oh. Okay.
Wow.
Ayos na.
When Papa see that, Papa will smile.
Smile sakto lang yung
Gani. Pag-park.
camera.
Yung camera. Yung kasi naka 360 na guys. So, sa may mayroong 360. Compatible na siya. Compatible na siya sa ano. Wala na i-modify.
Lagi ang motor kapulan, tagi na mga silicone, tagi sa bangko.
So ito yung mga sobrang ano, yung mga sobrang bolts guys.
Oh, okay.
Kasi sa stock meron yan.
Thank you.
Oh, there. That's the red one when you press the brakes. When you release the brakes for park light, it's white. So maybe tonight guys, we will try again. We'll try again tonight so that it will be more clear. There for the brakes.
I think this is the first 2020 they had this done.
Yeah, it is the first 2021 Fortuner that have this trunk LED. Yes, black. Wow.
Art is black.
So we have a freebie. This is the freebie here. The stock garnish.
No, amo na original niyo. Kung gusto niyo balik ang original.
If you want to bring back the original, so the original is there. Maybe we'll put this in the front. So yan guys.
Just get the R and put Fortune.
Yeah.
Silverado PH fans. This is Merlin. For those who were asking questions about the lights, we have a little demonstration here I would like to show you. When you start the engine, the LED lights on front of car will come on and stay on until the engine is turned off. Once the headlights, once the car senses these sensors up here, that the sunlight has gone down to almost darkness, the LED lights
We'll turn off.
will turn off,
Yeah.
and the headlights will come on to replace the lights on
Yes,
the
correct.
front.
As you can see guys, yan no, wala na tayong bali DRL dito sa LED strip. So we just only have this one, that's already automatic. Once it senses that it's already dark. But if it's in the morning, so yung DRL naman yung aandar, yung maglilit.
I will turn the light switch to, I will take it off automatic and put it on the first setting, light setting.
Okay. So first light setting guys, it's gonna be this. This is also used for signal lights, but if it's, you will not turn it on automatic, so that will lit white. But if you're gonna use the signal lights, so it will be replaced by a yellow light there. So no light on this side if you're turning left, and if you're turning right. There you go. So that's it. Sa mga nagtatanong dyan. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like if it's already afternoon or yeah, it's already dark. So naka-up, okay. Yan, di na naka-apak. Kapag if there's brakes, so magiging red. Guys, I think it is still holding the brake. But if you're not holding the brake, it will just go white. There. It's already park light. There. So that's all for today, Silver Fam. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. So ride wisely, ride safe always.